You may be saying to yourself, there is no difference between cleaning and sanitizing. However, I'm here to tell you that there is a difference. Regular cleaning is what you typically do to make sure that your office is clean for and presentable to your employees and customers. Work that is generally done includes cleaning bathrooms, the conference room, the break room, and the lobby area, as well as removing trash, vacuuming carpets, and mopping floors. One of the benefits of doing this is so that individuals can see that your facility is clean. In contrast, the process of sanitizing an office involves cleaning surfaces that are considered high touch. These surfaces are typically touched numerous times a day by one or many different individuals. Examples of high touch areas include bathroom stall handles, doorknobs, light switches, keyboards, computer mice, and telephones. Right now, we're well beyond settling for just regular cleaning. The COVID-19 pandemic demands that businesses go the extra mile to ensure that all surfaces are clean and safe, especially those surfaces that we take for granted are safe. For example, when you have meetings in your conference room, someone uses the light switch to turn on the lights. The doorknob is used by everyone entering and exiting the room. The keyboard and mouse are used as part of your presentation. You press the buttons on the conference phone to include off-site participants, and the conference table and chair arms are being touched throughout the meeting. You don't want to unintentionally end up having a meeting of contamination. As another example, the phone on your desk rings and you see that it's your boss. You pick up the phone without thinking twice about whether the handset you place to your ear and mouth is safe. You want to ensure that you implement a cleaning and sanitizing program that won't create a second wave of infections that could ultimately affect your bottom line. You may ask, how often should I sanitize my office? The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including how many staff is working in your office, as well as how many different people frequent your office. Do you have a lot of customers visit your office? Do you have a staff of 5 or 50 working in your office? Your answers may require that you professionally sanitize your office every day, maybe even multiple times a day. However, you may be able to schedule detailed sanitizing of your office once per week and have your staff use EPA recommended products and appropriate personal protective equipment in the interim. Regardless, I highly recommend that you do not just sanitize your office one time and think that your office will remain safe. If you have questions about anything I've said, including how to make and keep your facility clean and safe, we are here to help. Office Pride. It's our values that make us different.